Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download and install any apps on your laptop or desktop. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type a Microsoft Store, click on open it. In Microsoft Store on the left side select the apps. Now you just need to search for the apps you want. For example, I gonna search Instagram. Select the Instagram. Select the install option and install it. After getting installed done, you just need to go to search menu and type Instagram. Click on the Instagram app and open it. Now you can log into your account and you can use the Instagram on your laptop or desktop. The same way you can install any apps on Microsoft Store, guys. For example, WhatsApp. You can install the Facebook. You can install the Snapchat, and by using this way you can download any apps on your laptop or desktop. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.